Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to learn about multiplying binomials. It might sound complicated, but trust me, it's not that difficult. Let's start by defining what binomials are. Binomials are mathematical expressions that consist of two terms connected by a plus or minus sign. For example, x plus y and a minus b are binomials. Now, let's move on to multiplying binomials. To multiply two binomials, we use a formula that looks like this. A plus b multiplied by c plus d. We are going to multiply a by c at first, which is equal to ac, then a multiply by d is equal to ad. After that, multiply b by c, and it is equal to bc. And finally, multiply b by d, it will be bd. Let's try an example. X plus 2 multiplied by x plus 3. To multiply these binomials, we use the formula we just learned. So, x times x is x to the second power. X times 3 is 3x. 2 times x is 2x. And 2 times 3 is 6. Now we add these terms together, which gives us x squared plus 5x plus 6. Here's another example. X minus 5 multiplied by x plus 4. Again, we use the formula we learned earlier. So, x times x is x squared. X times 4 is 4x. Negative 5 times x is minus 5x. And negative 5 times 4 is negative 20. Now we add these terms together, which gives us x squared minus x minus 20. As you can see, multiplying binomials is an essential skill in algebra. It helps us simplify complex expressions and solve equations. So, it's crucial to understand this concept thoroughly. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed learning about multiplying binomials. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.